Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Virtual Pharmacy. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do consider subscribing to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about how a standard curve is plotted. But before drawing standard curve, let's first discuss some basic elements of standard curve. Standard curve is also known as calibration curve, and by standard curve, we can determine the concentration of sample of unknown concentration by comparing it with the sample of known concentration. Generally, standard curve is drawn between absorbance, which is also known as optical density, and concentration. A standard equation is used in standard curve, which is also known as equation of straight line or linear regression equation, by which we can easily determine the value of absorbance. It is in the form of y equals to mx plus c. Here y stands for absorbance or OD, m is slope, x is the concentration, and c is the intercept of graph. This is the standard curve between concentration and absorbance of a random sample. Here it is the linear equation with the value of r square, which is known as coefficient of regression. Procedure for determination of unknown concentration. First of all, we prepare the stock solution of known concentration by suitable dilution. Then we observe these sample in UV spectrophotometer to get the absorbance, and once the absorbance are noted down, we plot a standard curve. After the standard curve is plotted, now we determine the absorbance of an unknown sample by keeping it in UV spectrophotometer and calculate the concentration of unknown sample by using standard curve. Let's discuss the procedure of preparation of standard curve in Microsoft Excel. In Microsoft Excel, I have already entered the value of concentration and value of absorbance. We have to select the value of concentration and absorbance and then go to insert, select chart from insert and select the scatter type of chart, and in scatter type of chart we have to prefer for scatter with straight line and marker. This is our standard curve. Here we can add the axis title as concentration and absorbance. Now for the addition of linear equation, we have to select in any one of point and right click on these points. We have to select add trend line and a notification window will pop up. From this we have to select display equation on chart and display r squared value on chart. Now we can close it. Standard equation with the value of regression coefficient is there. This is our standard curve. Now suppose the value of concentration of unknown sample is between 0.234. So by using the standard equation we can calculate the value of concentration, that is x. Here simply we have to put the value of absorbance in the place of y and we have to calculate x. I have calculated the value of concentration from this standard equation. I have just simply put it the value of absorbance in place of y and I have calculated the x. Here the concentration which I have calculated for the absorbance 0.254 is 21.11. We can cross check this from the graph. The value of absorbance is 0.54. It must be somewhere between here, and if we will draw a straight line from this point, then it will somewhere intersect the line here. And if we will go downward, then the value of concentration will be somewhere between 20. So the calculation of our concentration through equation is correct. That's how we can draw the standard curve and calculate the value of concentration from standard curve. If you had liked this video, then please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.